Hello guys! For today's travel serye, isa na namang sikat na tourist destination sa Jensan ang ating pupuntahan. Dito nga ako ngayon sa Hill 6, located at Mabuhay, General Santos City. Hindi naman ito masyadong malayo sa city proper ng General Santos. Mga around 30 minutes ride at mararating nyo na ang Hill 6. Curious lang ako guys, pero hindi ko talaga ito natanong. Comment nyo lang po kung alam nyo, meron ba itong Hill 1, Hill 2, Hill 3, Hill 4, or Hill 5? Bakit Hill 6? So, dito guys, may entrance po sila which is 50 pesos. Meron silang restaurant dito guys, snack bar at cafe. May function hall din sila for big and small events. I'm sure they can accommodate you whatever the occasion is dahil meron silang outdoor function hall at meron din silang indoor function hall which is air-conditioned and good for 20 packs. Very accommodating naman yung mga staff nila dito guys at approachable din sila. Ito nga ako umorder sa Hill 6 Cafe ng sandwich at iced coffee. As for the iced coffee, reasonable naman yung price kasi gumagamit pala sila ng fresh milk at brewed coffee talaga. Aside from cash, tumatanggap din sila ng payment from GCash, through Maya, debit card, credit card, etc. So since malapit lang naman ito sa workplace ko, kaya pumunta na rin kami dito after work. Sabi nga nila, all work, no play, make you a dull person. Kaya laag ta permanente. At this moment, kakagat na sana ako ng sandwich. Kaso lang naalala ko ay hindi ko pala natanong kung ano itong ham nila, pork ba or chicken. Buti naman at chicken pala itong ham nila. This sandwich costs 150 pesos and the iced coffee salted caramel is 155 pesos. Sulit naman guys dahil masarap naman talaga yung food at maganda yung place. So the best time to come here is after work, late afternoon to evening. Mga ganitong place talaga yung magandang tambayan dahil nga very crowded na yung city. Hill 6 Jensan is a good place to unwind and relax after work. Best to spend your afternoon tea here while enjoying your meals with overlooking view of General Santos City. While having meals, mga takip silim na napansin namin na maraming lumilipad sa kalangitan. So I thought it's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's kabog, it's paniki guys, but in English. Sabi naman ng staff nila dito sa Hill 6 Cafe, galing daw ito sila sa cave. Meron palang cave doon guys sa bundok. Ang dami talaga nila guys at mukhang maghahanap na sila ng pagkain. Ang lalaki pa nila. Na-amaze din ako guys dahil first time ko ngang makakakita ng ganito kalalaking paniki. So guys, if you're looking for a place where you can chill and relax after work, come and visit Hill 6 at Mabuhay Jensan. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more.